At Slimming World, we're firm believers that there's no need to skimp on flavour when you're eating healthily, and these chili pitta pockets are no exception. Start off by dry frying 500 grams of lean beef mince for 2 to 3 minutes over a high heat until nicely browned, then set aside. Next, gently fry the onion, celery, carrot, fresh chilli, pepper and garlic for 8 to 10 minutes until soft. Add a splash of water if it starts to stick. Return the cooked beef to the pan and add the spices: 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, and if you like a bit more heat, a few dried chili flakes. Fry for another minute or two. Add a tin of chopped tomatoes and 400 ml of hot beef stock. Season and simmer gently for around 30 minutes until the sauce is reduced and thickened. Just before the end, stir through plenty of fresh coriander. Toast 460 gram wholemeal pittas and spoon the chili into the pitta halves. Drizzle over some fat-free natural yogurt and serve straight away with plenty of fresh salad.